Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a DIY storage shelf. So we're going to need 12 storage bins from Dollar Tree. Make sure 6 of them can fit into the other 6. So get 6 small ones and 6 big ones. We're going to need E6000 and we're just going to glue all the sides together. After I glued all the sides together, I waited until the next day to do the next step. So here's the next day, and here's a preview of what I want the finished product to look like. We're going to grab our pool noodle and we're going to cut the pieces to fit in between the storage bins. We want the pieces to fit between the storage bins because this is what's going to give our storage shelf support. We don't want it to just be able to fall over or break easily. Make sure you glue all the pieces into place. So this is the finished product and I think it came out so good. And it works out because you can separate some of your kids' toys to make it easier for them to play with. But let me know in the comments what you guys think and don't forget to subscribe.